Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to remove pin location on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to remove your pin locations on Google Maps, first open up your Google Map application on your phone. After opening your Google Maps application, guys, if your pin locations are not available on your screen like this, it will be on the U section, which is at the bottom of the screen. You can see, guys, bottom middle section of the screen, just beside the Explore, there is the U button. Tap on it, and over here all of your saved pin location will be here. But if you had just tap and hold on the map for a moment, that location won't be saved on any kind of list on your Google Maps. You will be able to share it, but if you don't save it, that won't be available on your map. But if you had saved a pin or pinned the location and saved it, that will be on the U section. Over here you can see on the want to go category, there is the one place available, and it's the pin we had pinned earlier. So let's minimize it and let's view the list again. On this pin, if you want to remove it, guys, you can see there are some coordinates options over here, and at the right side of those coordinates, let's go back, and at the right side of those coordinates there is the three dotted icon available for us. Tap on the three dotted icon at the right side of the coordinates over here, and you will be able to remove that place or remove that pin location on Google Maps. So tap on the three dotted icon just beside the coordinates and tap on remove place, and that place will be removed from your pinned location on Google Maps. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to remove pinned location on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.